Okay, Analia, we're getting ready to take off here. I have my checklist.
Okay, okie dokie. Oh no. Oh yes. Remember while they are cleaning the bathroom, you know, the procedure.
Yep, I've got the towels right here so they can lay them down on the floor so they don't slip.
That's great.
All right.
Thank you. You're all set.
Well, we're getting ready to take off. You have a great day.
Thank you. Be safe.
Thanks, we will.
Bye.
Bye.
Taking off. Kathy, hi. How are you today? Oh, here I am. Well, I'm drinking some water. You know, it's hot and we all have to be hydrated. So, Kathy, drink some water, take some water. Yes, we will be doing the procedures right now, just in, well, 5 minutes. So, you know that with the supplies, you can always take 2 trips if they are too heavy for you. We wait for you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome everybody to Grand Fidelity Cleaning Airlines. Before taking off, we will go through some safety procedures. First of all, buckle up. While on the job site, always wear your apron. If you work on new construction, remember to wear the tool belt. Company t-shirt should be worn at all times, as well as shoes. They should be comfortable, probably athletic shoes. Cell phone is only permitted in case of emergency. And speaking about emergency, always call the office. We strive for 0 accidents, but always call the office. 502-222-0736. And in case something happens, take a picture first and send that to the office. We will be able to help you. You are doing floors, of course, always wear your knee pads. And if it's too loud, we will provide with ear plugs. In an event of dust, always wear your mask and share one with your coworker. While taking off and reaching altitude, always use the step ladder. It should be on a flat, solid ground. And do not step on top step. You will be also using blades. Please always keep them in the blade holder. And to dispose them, be sure that the triggers are tight and always in off position. You are allowed to take 2 10-minute breaks and 1 half-hour break. If you need to take a break, please do so, but step outside, allowing the other workers to work without interruptions. Never leave your belongings unattended, and before leaving the job site, walk around to check if everything is okay. Pick up only your supplies. We invite you to read the policy manual and employee handbook. On behalf of Grand Finale Cleaning, we thank you so much for working with us. We know that you have options. That's why we are so blessed to have you in our team. Would it be nice? Oh. Grand Finale Cleaning, how can I serve you today?